In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Sephora account email. We will walk through each click together so you always know exactly what should be on your screen. First, open the Sephora website. Use your regular browser and type in the Sephora web address, then press enter. When the site loads, you should see the familiar Sephora logo at the top and navigation links for things like makeup and skincare. Wait until the homepage finishes loading before you move on, so all menu options are visible and clickable. Now, sign into your account. Look toward the top right area for the Sign In or Account button and click it. Enter the email address and password you currently use with Sephora, then confirm the sign in. Once it works, the top of the page usually changes to show your name or account icon, which tells you that you are logged in with the correct profile. Next, click My Account. From the top of the page, open the Account menu and choose the My Account option. When this page opens, you should see sections for things like orders, beauty insider points, and saved addresses. This confirms you are in the right place to manage your personal settings and not just browsing products. From there, select Account Details. On the My Account page, look for the section labeled Account Details and click it. The screen should update to show your personal information such as your name and current email address. If you do not see your existing email on this page, pause and make sure you are viewing account details and not another tab like orders. Next up, click Edit Personal Info. On the Account Details page, find the button or link that says Edit Personal Info and select it. The fields that show your name and email should now become editable, often with text boxes instead of plain text. When you see those boxes, you are in edit mode and ready to change your information. At this point, enter your new email address. Click into the email field, remove the old address, and carefully type the new one. Make sure there are no spaces and that you spell every part correctly, including the part after the @ sign. A small typo here can lock you out of future emails from Sephora, so it is worth checking it twice before continuing. After that, save your changes. Look for the Save button near the bottom or top of the form and click it once. The page will briefly refresh, and then it should display your new email address in the Account Details section. If there is an error message, read it on screen, since Sephora sometimes flags addresses that are already in use on another account. With that ready, verify your new email if prompted. Check your inbox for a message from Sephora sent to the new address and open it. Click the verification link inside that email so Sephora knows you truly own it. After you do this, your account on the website will be fully updated to use the new email. You have now successfully changed and confirmed the email on your Sephora account. So please give this video a thumbs up if it helped and maybe subscribe for more simple account how-tos.